Hey everybody, so I've been working on the laundry today and Mile and I are just hanging out in here and we got all of these socks to pair up before we put them away in the drawer. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. And now these socks are going to be easier than some because they have a lot of different colors. Um, you're going to want to sort your socks into ones that match. So these are both white socks with a gray stripe on the bottom of the foot. So these two are a match. So I'm going to lay those together. Here's a purple sock. I'm going to find the other purple one and pair that together. Okay, there's a pair. Here's some with some green on it. I'm going to look for the matching green one and pair those together. These two, both black. These match. We got a white sock with some black stripes on the heel. Those two are a good match. Here's some purple ones again. Purplish pink. Red. Here's a red pair. And then here's a white pair with some purple stripes on them. So those two are going to be a match. And then finally I have two that are just plain white, and these two are going to be going together. So once I have all my socks paired up like this, I hook them together so they don't come undone or unmatched in the drawer. So how I do that is I take my thumb and I put it inside the opening of one of the socks. Then I squeeze that thumb down, and with the other hand I take this other side of the sock in my hand, and then with my right hand, I push the socks through, and that way it makes a little, a sock bunch that can go into your drawer so they don't get unmatched when they're in your drawer. So let's try that again. I'm going to open up the ankle of the sock, and I'm going to stick my thumb in there and then lift this side up. My right hand is going to squeeze down. My left hand is going to pull and then push these through like that to make a nice, neat pair that's not going to come undone in my drawer. Let's try that again. Stick my thumb in, pull this one, push up through the hole. Okay. Same thing works for these longer socks. You can push up, you just keep going, and then you just get a little bit longer bunch. These socks pull and push through. Got a nice group there. So this will get easier the more practice you have. If it's a little frustrating at first, don't get too impatient with it. Just walk away and come back to it later if you're frustrated. It just takes practice. So again, you put the ankles together, put your thumb inside, and then you kind of want to stretch the ankle of one of the socks. And when you're stretching it, your other hand pushes up, and then it'll kind of put one sock inside the other and make a nice group. And here is my last set. All right, we have successfully matched all of our socks and made them into little pairs so they won't come undone in our dresser drawer. Thanks much, guys. We're gonna practice folding towels next. Take care.